Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to explore 35 free crochet cardigan patterns for all seasons. As always, you can find all the links in the description box below. Before we jump right in, please take a moment to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Number 1. A versatile and easy-to-wear crochet cardigan. This is made with short sleeves, but the length can be easily adjusted to your preferences. Number 2. A classic cardigan worked in one piece with simple stitches. You can easily customize the length of the cardigan to be long with a belt around your waist or cropped with buttons. Number 3. Amazing crochet stitches that look knitted in this one. It looks complicated, but it's really not. Number 4. This one lets the yarn do all the talking as it uses a nice faux fur yarn. One of the coziest things you'll get to wear. Plus, it has pockets. Number 5. Probably the most beautiful summer cardigan I have ever seen. The open stitches create such a romantic look. Number 6. Getting back to our winter wardrobe with this chunky classic little cardigan. This also seems knitted, doesn't it? Number 7. The bonfire cardigan is made with the classic panel construction, but the stitch pattern is something I have never seen before. Such an amazing texture. Number 8. This one is made with a heavier yarn, but the open stitches create a comfortable and drapey fabric. Number 9. I have also shared the same sweater in my sweater pattern collection, and now it's time for the cardigan, which comes with pockets and a hood. That's always a plus for me. Number 10. Another cardigan with super bulky yarn, hood, and pockets. This could also serve as a jacket in some climates. Number 11. The perfect beginner cropped cardigan with options for a hip and a duster length. Number 12. Here we go again with the unique stitches. If you are looking for something interesting to crochet and fun to wear, this is for you. Number 13. This one is perfect for you if you are always trying to avoid seaming at all costs. Made with 2 simple hexagons and beautiful open stitches. The perfect layering piece. Number 14. The Wrap Me in Love cardigan has a unique constructions and feels so cozy to wear. Number 15. There's something wonderful about hooded cardigans. You just feel they got you covered whatever the circumstances are. Also, I just love a nice casual look. Number 16. This one features a wide V neckline and would be perfect to wear on its own for warmer weather or as a layering piece with a nice top. For number 17, we have a pattern that I actually made for a friend a few years back, and I can attest to how easy and comfy this is. A perfect beginner cardigan pattern. Number 18. Ribbing is definitely my thing, and this cardigan has lots of it. It looks so nice, people won't believe you made it yourself. Number 19. The granny stitch looks perfect in just about anything, and this cardigan is no exception. Made from the top down, this raglan-style crochet cardigan will steal your heart. Number 20. This one is an oversized hooded crochet cardigan made with chunky yarn. It looks so casual and comfortable. Number 21. Another cardigan that features the granny stitch in a slightly different way. This one is made from the bottom up, and it's also customizable. Number 22. This long cardigan is so stylish, yet relaxed and slouchy. I would definitely wear something like this to pick up my kids from school. Number 23. The dreamy drape along with a seamless construction make this lacy cardigan the next make in your long queue. Number 24. Slightly loose, but definitely not oversized. This easy crochet cardigan with basic stitches will be perfect for a casual look. Number 25. This puff stitch crochet cardigan pattern will be your next fall staple as it has the perfect balance of texture plus style. Number 26. The Delaney is a soft and airy cardigan, even though it's made of bulky yarn. The sample is made with velvet yarn, but any bulky weight yarn will do. Number 27. You can get 2 different looks out of this pattern just by making it longer or shorter. Which one would you choose? Number 28. This crocheted kimono is a perfect project for beginners and very easy to just throw it on to make a cute outfit. Number 29. All these short-sleeved summer crochet cardigans probably deserve their own roundup, but I couldn't leave this mesh cardigan out. Just look how lovely it is. Number 30. If you are going all in on texture, then the Delilah cardigan is for you. The designer included a video tutorial on how to make those special stitches, so no worries there. Number 31. This one is crocheted from side to side with minimal seaming. An excellent choice for a spring-summer cardigan. Number 32. A chic and elegant lacy crochet cardigan in just 2 pieces. Perfect to wear over dresses and skirts. Number 33. The Kima Cardi is a chunky free crochet pattern that is perfect for beginners. It's made out of panels that are sewn together with the addition of pockets. Number 34. The Hello Pumpkin is a beautiful mosaic crochet cardigan pattern, mostly geared to advanced crocheters. Mosaic crochet is a fascinating technique that will keep you engaged. And for number 35, we have a patchwork cardigan. Would you love to make something like this, but you're afraid of all the seaming? This cardigan cleverly minimizes seaming and creates fewer ends to weave in. A lovely, colorful piece. And that's a wrap for today's collection. Please share in the comments below your favorite one. See you in the next video. Bye!